playing with your toys from your birthday? Grayson. You're funny. Look at the mess you've made, Grayson. Mommy and Daddy's house never looked like this before you came around. You think that's funny? What are you playing with? Paper?
Paper, and I tried to take it and he screamed at me.
Is that paper? You got all these toys still in the boxes. No, that goes outside. Those are outside toys.
Okay, next year, everybody's getting me boxes and paper.
Grayson, can you go, ah? Can you say, vote for me? So I can be a model. You want to be a supermodel? Grayson. 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 How old are you, Grayson? How old are you? Show me how old you are. How old are you? Well, we're way preoccupied.